After the Great Flood, humanity began to rebuild, but instead of spreading across the earth as God commanded, they stayed together, united by a bold, prideful plan. We will build a tower to reach heaven. Our name will be famous forever. God looks down from heaven, shaking his head slightly. Their goal wasn't just a tall tower, it was rebellion. They wanted to be like God, to control their own destiny. But God knew their pride would only lead to destruction. God says, if they can do this together, nothing will stop them. It's time to intervene. Suddenly, workers start speaking gibberish. Chaos erupts. Worker 1 in Spanish, Necesitamos más ladrillos. Worker 2 in Mandarin, Wo shu yao shui. Worker 3 in French, Qu'est-ce que tu dis? God didn't destroy the tower, he just made teamwork impossible. The project stalled, the city was nicknamed Babel, meaning confusion, and people finally spread across the earth. What seemed like punishment was actually grace. God knew unity without him is dangerous, but one day he'd restore unity. Through Jesus, human pride divides. God's love unites. Let's use our words and our lives to build his kingdom, not our own. The tower crumbles as the cross rises in the sunlight.